Here is how I am rebuilding after financial hardship. Please pay attention to this video. Make sure you watch to the end. Like this video and share it. Someone is going to learn from it. Now listen to this. I never imagined I would have to start over from almost nothing. Then here is the true story. There was a time when things were going well. All of a sudden, then life changed. Financial pressure increased. Bills pile up. Plans fail. People left. For a moment, I feel defeated. But then I realize something. As long as I am alive, I can rebuild. I may have lost money. I may have lost opportunity. But I haven't lost my faith. I haven't lost experience. And I haven't lost my ability to rise again. Today, I am rebuilding one step at a time. Not because it is easy, not at all. But because giving up is not an option. If you are going through financial hardship, please, you must remember this. A setback is not a life sentence. Need to know it. It is a chapter, not the whole story. Follow my journey. Your comeback can begin today.